What? Hey, I need to make a YouTube video on some biking. Yeah, no, but there's hardly going to be any police here. Oh my god. Why don't you just walk the rest? You keep on going.
Get off your phone, you would be so slow.
No, it's not because of that. It's uphill. I'm not very good at uphill.